Hey everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel, or just general first time welcome if you are new. Hi, I'm sending a lot of love your way right now. So recently I put out a video where I explained to you guys that from here on out I am going cruelty free, and I kind of explained that whole thought process in that video. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it down below so you can go and check it out. But today I'm doing my first ever 100% cruelty free haul. It's exciting, that's why we're dancing. And I'm definitely dressed for the occasion because I don't know if you can see it, but I've got my cruelty free is the only way to be t-shirt on right now. And I am so excited about this t-shirt right now, you guys, because it is brand new on the Eco Oddball website. It's made from 100% organic cotton in a factory that is powered by renewable energy, and 10% of all the profits from this t-shirt and all the stuff on that website goes towards conservation projects to help make our planet great again. So if you guys think that cruelty free is the only way to be, then I'm gonna link this t-shirt in the description box down below so you can go and pick one up for yourself, and you can feel good about that purchase because ultimately it's helping the planet. Not that we need an excuse to go shopping, but it's nice to have one. Speaking of shopping, I think it's about time to dive on into this haul. Everything that I have here is like drugstore, it's very affordable, and I have hair care, skincare, and makeup. All your daily essentials. First, I'm gonna open up my big old bag of stuff from Lush. I love Lush. Like, it's a true, we're soulmates, okay? Me and Lush. Okay, so the first thing I got was a repurchase, and this is the Swen Wen Ha. I actually got the sales assistant in Lush to pronounce this for me like 6 times because I always talk about this in my videos and I have no idea how to pronounce it. But she said it was Swen Wen Ha. I think I finally nailed it, you guys. So I've been talking about this product for years. I absolutely love it. It's a hair treatment that you obviously put in your hair, and it makes your hair so smooth and so frizz free without weighing it down at all. I love it. Then I picked up one of the Lush Fresh face masks. This is Don't Look at Me, and the cool thing about these fresh face masks is that every time you take back 5 full-sized pots, then you get one for free. So I didn't even pay for this, like this was free, because that's how committed they are to recycling. I love that. Next, I have no idea what this is. Cool. Okay, so I got another conditioning bar, and this one is Jungle. I love the Lush shampoo and conditioner bars because they are so convenient for traveling or just for having in your bathroom. It's just so much easier than having a big bottle just like taking up room on your shelf. They last so much longer than a traditional liquid shampoo or a traditional liquid conditioner, and it's way better for the environment because there's no plastic. I've never used this one before. I usually use the Sugar Daddy-O conditioner bar, but I wanted to branch out and try something new since, I don't know, I feel like a changed woman since I went cruelty free. I'm just like mixing things up all over the place. Okay, so usually I get the Jason and the Argan Oil shampoo bar, but they didn't have any. They are sold out everywhere, and it turns out like one of the ingredients they use to make it is just like, I don't know, missing from the planet right now. There's a shortage of it, so they're kind of waiting to see when that's going to come back in. So I had to kind of make a change. This one is called Honey I Washed the Kids, and it smells delicious. And then the second one I got is Jumping Juniper. I just thought, like, since I'm having to branch out anyway, I may as well just try a couple of different ones. Who knows? Maybe I'll find something I love even more than Jason and the Argan Oil. I don't think that's possible, but you never know. Then this was a repurchase. This is my Fresh Pharmacy facial cleanser. I've used this for years. I stand by it completely as being like an excellent cleanser for your skin. It can remove waterproof mascara, which, like, hello, that's a big deal. And it just leaves my skin looking really clear and fresh. Okay, then in the spirit of stepping outside the box, I went and I got myself this, the sales assistant described it as kind of almost like a serum to put on after I've cleansed my face with my facial cleanser, and this is called Full of Grace. Now, even as I'm holding it in my hand, it is so creamy and so soft, and I can't help smelling everything. But it's just so buttery that it's almost like sliding out of my fingers right now, because I know that the thought of applying a solid moisturizer or serum seems kind of insane, but even as it's just in my fingers, it's heating up and like becoming a liquid. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down. So yeah, that was everything I got in Lush for my hair and my skin, and then I just picked up a couple more bits and pieces from Boots. So staying on the theme of skincare, I went and I picked up the Tea Tree and Witch Hazel Foaming Face Wash. This is Boots' own brand. Now, forgive me if I'm wrong, because I'm new to this, but I looked everything up online to check what's cruelty-free, what is not, and according to Google, everything Boots' own brand is cruelty-free. Let me know if I am wrong, because I want to do this thing right, but my research said this was okay. So I went ahead, I repurchased this because I've used it before and I absolutely love it. Then again, this is another Boots' own brand. This is their Botanics brand, and it's the All Bright with Hibiscus Hydrating Day Cream with SPF 15. If you are looking at me right now and being like, girl, you went out and you bought a lot of skincare products, yes, I did, because I've been neglecting my skin recently. I've been doing kind of like a not so great job of taking care of it. So I was like, I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna treat myself to like a whole new range of skincare, and then maybe that will inspire me to actually take care of my face. Haven't used a moisturizer in about 6 months. That's shameful. I mean, and then finally I picked up a few bits and pieces from the makeup department. Actually only 2 things, which for me, hello, I usually leave with bags full. So both of the things I got were from NYX. I got the NYX HD Finishing Powder, and I got this in the banana color because they had it in translucent, but I was testing it and it was coming off all kinds of white, and I didn't want that. I mean, look at me, I'm pale enough as it is. And then I picked up the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer because, as we all know, every concealer that I've ever known and loved tests on animals. You got some big boots to fill, okay? I have to say, my first ever cruelty-free makeup, skincare, hair care, shopping experience was really exciting. I thought it was going to be a little bit stressful or limiting, but on the whole, there are a lot of great cruelty-free brands out there, which made it a heck of a lot easier. And I want to give a big shout out to Swansea Lush for being the best people ever. I went in and I said to one of the sales assistants, I was like, I just went cruelty-free, so this is my first like cruelty-free shopping experience, and she literally did a dance for me. She like cheered for me, she was like telling all her friends, and it made me feel so special, and it was like so great. But also then she and one of the other girls came over and gave me a list of a bunch of different makeup brands that I could go, because I was like, I have no idea what to buy now. That is the thing with Lush, like I feel like I love their products, I love their ethos, but I love their staff too. Like, they are so friendly. You feel like you're friends. I don't know if they feel like I'm a friend. I feel like they're my friends, you know? So yeah, those were all of the cruelty-free items that I bought. Please go ahead and let me know in the comments section, what are your favorite cruelty-free makeup, skincare, hair care items? Any cruelty-free items really, because I'm a baby when it comes to cruelty-free and I'm still learning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you are ready for more cruelty-free videos on this channel, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a member of our Oddball family. And for those of you who have already subscribed, thank you guys so much. You're my oddballs and I love you. Don't forget, you can go ahead and get your cruelty free is the only way to be t-shirt on the Eco Oddball website. I'm gonna link that down below. And now I feel like I kind of need a nap after that video because I've exerted a lot of energy. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and have a beautiful day. I will see you all soon. Bye.